So welcome back to Spec, guys. Today we have a review for you, and this time we have a Poco M4. It's an impressive 5G version, and we're going to take a look and see what's come inside the box and have a full breakdown understanding what the Poco M4 is all about. Let's go. Poco is a brand that we need to take special care whenever we're unboxing these phones. They are cheap, yet they are very comparable to an high-end device, and I can't wait to see what's inside of this box. I'm excited to see the Poco M4. I already do an unboxing with the Poco M4 Pro. That was a very impressive phone, and I can't wait to see what this one is all about. The performance, the gaming, the camera, everything. As you know, this model is running the Dimensity 700 chipset, 5G variant. Battery 5000 milliamp, 18-watt fast charger, dual camera setup, 90 Hz refresh rate, Gorilla Glass protection, and the list goes on and on and on and on. Poco M4 has a ton loads of goodies. I know you must be feeling excited like I do. I'm pretty sure quick purchase and you'll be doing the same just like I'm doing right now. One of the most satisfying feeling of unboxing a Poco M4 is to open in the box for the first time. I just love that sound. The Poco M4 will be coming in two variants. You have the 4GB RAM 64GB version, and you have the 6GB RAM 128GB version. This small packaging usually has the manual along with the SIM pin remover, so you have the manual, user manual. The chipset will be a 2.2 GHz. That means yes, you can game in on it. Samsung is using the same chipset in one of their devices, and I'm pretty sure this Poco M4 will be a word match to that device. I'm loving this protective case, really. And what we have here is the bad boy, as you know, the Poco M4 5G version. Let's put this one side for now. You have a Type-C USB cable. So this is a 22.5 watt fast charger. When the device is full charge, the 5000 milliamp battery will give you a lot of gaming time plus video time. I can guarantee you that for sure. So that's all basically what comes inside the box. Now it's time to unwrap the bad boy we all been waiting for. The Poco M4. It's a Dimensity 700 with a 5G 90 Hz refresh rate, fully HD plus screen, Gorilla Glass protection, 5000 milliamp battery, 16-watt fast charger, 13 megapixel camera, and the list can go on and on and on and on. For storage, you know, you have the cloud storage transferring from your phone to your computer. You're getting a UFS 2.2. That's fast. 3.1 is fast, but 2.2, that's reasonable fast. The memory is a DDR4X. Also, there's a 4 and 6GB variant. That's a Gorilla Glass, so it's nice, durable. You have a Type-C charging port, microphone, speaker. On the side, you have a SIM tray, and at the top, you have a 3.5mm L4 jack. And on the side, you have a power button with a built-in fingerprint sensor and the volume up and down button. It is lightweight, only 200 grams. That's reasonable for a 5000 milliamp battery. This one should have a water resistance of IP53 rated. As you know, it's a dual camera setup, while the two rear camera, it's a 13 megapixel main lens and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. I kind of like the design with the glass finish with the camera. The back is a bit smooth, yet easily grip inside the hand, so there's no worry of slipping. Well done on the design, Poco. You get a thumbs up from Spec. So the front camera is 5 megapixel. To be honest, it has a premium feel to it, I'm not going to lie. And it feels really comfortable in the palm of my hands. So the Poco M4 is coming with a dedicated SIM tray. Plus you have your memory card supported up to 1 terabyte storage space, and it's a dual SIM tray. It's very rigid, so you know it's firm. Doesn't have a plasticky feel to it where you know it's easily snapped, and it's sliding just nice. As I said, I can't stress it no more. I am just loving the glass finish on the camera. It's my best features of the device so far with the design. So these will be coming in 3 colors. It'll be the Power Black, Cool Blue, and the Poco Yellow. The screen quality should be okay with a 500 nits brightness. So the 6.5 inch display, as I said, it looks premium. The touch response, fast. It can be compared with the Samsung. I'm pretty sure that this model will outperform the Samsung any day of the week. So the fingerprint sensor is pretty fast. The response time is very fast. Would I recommend this device? Yes, I would. Durable. It won't overheat. It runs pretty smooth. For the price range, it's definitely worth it. So let me know in the comment what do you think. Would you get this device? I would. See you in the next video, guys.